How to delete PhotoMath account in the app. I'm going to guide you through the process on how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, make sure that you've already installed the PhotoMath app. Once you download the app, launch the app on your phone. You don't need to sign up or log into your account in order to access this app. When you launch the app, it will directly open up this camera app. From here, you can scan the problems, all the mathematic problems that you want to solve. Since you don't need to create any account or log into your account, if you want to delete your PhotoMath account, apparently there is no such process of deleting your account. But what you can do is, if you have subscribed to the PhotoMath Plus, if you want to delete that, you may have to cancel the subscription of the PhotoMath Plus. For example, over here you can see this PhotoMath Plus option, tap on it. If you have subscribed to any of these packages, you will see a different interface, and over there you will see the cancel subscription button. You can simply tap on it and you can remove the PhotoMath Plus subscriptions. After that, you can delete your account, which means you can uninstall this app. So that's the only way to delete the PhotoMath account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.